Hello everybody, welcome to my second tutorial video about HTML, CSS and later on Bootstrap. So in the previous video, I advise you to see the previous video in order not to talk a lot about what we did previously. So in this video, we're going to talk about tags. What is tags and what could serve in HTML and how can I use them and what they mean in HTML. Basically, the tags, they are different in different types, as we saw in the previous video. They are inline tags and they are in block tags. So they are different types. They display in different types, but we have a lot of them, and we use them a lot in our HTML script. So for example, p, as we saw before, the paragraph tag serves displaying the things in a paragraph type, like for example, they could never be in line with other element. Okay, so the paragraph tag only used to be alone, not accompanied with other tags or with other, I don't know, sentences next to it. It could only appear as a block. We have the other tag, division. It's almost very similar to the paragraph tag. It's a block element. It could not appear next to each other. And yeah, so we can use the sublime text. So in case we want to write division, so it's div and then tab, and then it's gonna open and end in the same moment. So welcome to. Okay, so we have to do. Okay, great. So we can display it. It's gonna be, let me remove this. So let me refresh it. So that's it. Sorry. So welcome to my first tutorial video, and this is a welcome to. It's gonna appear on a new line. Okay, beautiful. So now, how about link? How if I want to go from how buttons actually work, and how can I store a link inside a word, and everything could be done with the anchor. So this is the anchor, this is a tag anchor. How is it the structure of this anchor, and what is this? So we're going to see. As I told you, with the sublime we can just write a and then tab, and everything is gonna be perfectly done. So with anchor, it's inline element. It could appear inline as we see in the previous video. So in the href, we can write the link to a specific website we want to go. So for example, here we have Google. Okay, so we have Google, and here we only write the link for Google. So we put the link for Google, and we have the Google. So under the name Google, we could have we're gonna have actually a link to Google page. So refresh it. Once we click on it, oh my god, they're beautiful. So we're done, and we're here in Google. We can undo what we did. So that's it. That's beautiful. So we're done with the very basic things. So now, how could we do tables? Tables, very beautiful, very important. They are very used in HTML, and they are very easy to use. So it's like the reserved word in HTML are very English, easy to memorize. So table, and just we tab it. It's opening closing tag for tables. Okay, so how can we deal with things inside tables? Inside tables, we have rows, we have columns. So the rows are tr, so it's table row. Okay, inside the row we have many columns or many data. Okay, so inside, for example, let me build a table with 2 rows and 2 columns. So inside the row we have 2 data. uh, data 1, okay, and then the second one data 2. Ah, beautiful. So I built my first row. How about the second row? The second row, okay, tr, also contains two data. So it's row 2 data 1, okay, and then that's the other td, row 2 data 2. Beautiful. Sorry. Beautiful. Okay, so now we build our data, our table that contains two rows. As you can see, it's the first row and the second row, and every row has exactly two data. So here we go. Let's go and check what happened in the web page. Beautiful. So this is the table. This is row 1. This is row 1, and this is row 2, and this is row 2. Yeah, this is the data 2 row 2, and this is data 1 row 1, row 2, sorry. So here we have the first row with data 1, data 2, the second row with data 1 and data 2. We can display the table obviously with the css, so it's going which going to learn about it more in the next video. So until then, stay tuned.